Welcome back to the channel. Today I am working on my 10th generation Honda Civic Touring. The engine bay is super dirty, sorry about that, but we are going to be changing out the spark plugs. There's 4 of them, and you want to do this about every 100,000 miles. My car's at 90,000 right now, so it's time to do these. Hopefully it'll give you better gas mileage and help your engine run smoother. This is the spark plug that I'm going to be using. NGK Laser Iridium 95112, and we got 4 of these. I'll leave a link in the description below if you need these. You also want a 14mm magnetic socket tool for spark plugs, a socket extension, and a wrench. Let's start by removing the 10mm bolts on each ignition coil, along with the connectors as well, so that we can get access to the spark plug tube. This is the first spark plug. Doesn't look too bad, a little bit burnt, but the tip looks good still. So far, all of the old spark plugs, I checked the gap. They're all 31 or 0.31, so the gaps are still good. Quality-wise, they don't look bad. Definitely time to change them out though. Make sure to check the gap on all of your spark plugs before you install them. For stock, you want 0.031, which is perfect. I recommend using a torque wrench, and the torque specs is 13 to 15 foot-pounds of torque, so I'm going to do 14 foot-pounds of torque. When you're going in, make sure you don't bump it around too much because you don't want to change the gap. Once it's down there, make sure you thread it in by hand first. And just like that, we did our spark plugs for the 10th generation Honda Civic. Same procedure for the 2.0 or the 1.5 liter turbo. You want to do this every 90,000 to 100,000 miles. It takes about 10 minutes to do, very quick and easy. I'll leave a link in the description for the spark plugs and the tools you'll need. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good afternoon.